Hello students, in this video we shall discuss topics like bootstrap images, forms and badges. Bootstrap provides us with various classes that allows us to enter images in different sizes and shapes. We can create responsive images. So these are the different classes that are used to generate images of different shapes. These classes allows us to show images in rounded circle and in thumbnail format like here. And also we have classes like float start and float end to align our images according to the requirement. Like here, at the start we can insert an image using the float start, and at the end we can insert an image at the end. So these images show up at different points based on the alignment classes. And in order to center an image, we have a class called MX Auto. We have MX Auto D block. So this class will make the image to show up in the center. These are important when we are developing or designing web pages that have a lot of media content. Responsive images. Now, throughout the Bootstrap, you will come across one class, that is fluid class. This fluid class can be applicable to images and other components as well. So, we can make our images fit any screen of any size using fluid class. The fluid class dimensions are, if we are using fluid class for image, the height and width are different. The width is set to 100%, whereas height is auto. And that is, we do not have to worry about the variations. The fluid class will take care of the height and width. So image class equals to image hyphen fluid and followed by the source of the image and the alternative text. Then the next concept is Bootstrap forms. Just like the forms what we have seen in HTML during the HTML class, Bootstrap also provides us with form tags. The only difference is we need not write CSS code, or we need not write customized or huge amounts of CSS code. So, the class what we have for Bootstrap forms is dot form control. We can use it for all the textual elements like input, text area, etc. Now, the form that you can see here is much different from the HTML basic form tag. Now, dot form label class is used for each element for correct padding. So this is a code for an inline form. An inline form is a form that has two input areas or two text areas in the side by side. Now they both refer to as row and a column. The form will be displayed like this. Okay. So we need to have two divs wherein we use a row and a column, and using the labels we can name the different text areas. So all this we have seen in HTML. The only thing is the classes where we can use a row and column for inline form for them to be displayed in a row and column wise. So the above script generates a form where the input elements appear side by side by using dot row and dot col. So this was about forms. The good chunk of form topic has been discussed in the HTML basic tags of forms, and this is about the bootstrap forms. Now in your practicals you will be working a lot on bootstrap forms. The next concept that we are going to look at is bootstrap badges. Now what badges are? Uh, while working or while spending time on various social networking sites, you might have seen a few small icons that display the number of notifications you got, or number of messages, or number of likes that have been given to your post. So the colored buttons that displays a numerical value are called badges. So this has been introduced in Bootstrap. So we are going to look at them. So like the first point says, badges are used to showcase basic extra information. So we have a class called dot badge class, and dot badge class together with other contextual text and contextual colors, we can use them to display the extra information. So here we have a heading message and badge BG primary. Okay, you know what span is used for. Profile span class equals to badge BG secondary, and this is the extra information that I am giving here, the numerical value 9, 10, small, new, new, new. Okay. In the next slide we will see what would be the output look like. So this is the output of the previous script. Okay. So this is the message followed by that extra information. So these are badges. So let's see how badges can be used inside an element. Here we have a button type button, okay, of class button primary, and again we have used span class equals to badge BG danger. Okay, the danger is a class, contextual color class used to generate red color. So basically we are using a BG danger for a notification here. Thank you.